Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Honeywell Home X8S Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat, a next-generation smart home device designed to deliver comfort, energy savings, and intelligent control. Product link is in the description below. This thermostat is built to combine video doorbell compatibility, indoor air quality monitoring, and customizable touchscreen design in one package. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a black finish with a bright customizable touchscreen display. Engineered for versatility, the X8S integrates seamlessly with Honeywell's smart ecosystem, offering compatibility with video doorbells for enhanced home automation. The IAQ, indoor air quality control feature monitors humidity, ventilation, and filtration, helping maintain a healthier living environment. The build quality reflects Honeywell's trusted craftsmanship, ensuring durability and reliability. Performance is where this thermostat shines. Equipped with advanced scheduling and energy-saving features, it optimizes heating and cooling to reduce utility costs while maintaining comfort. Integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Home enables voice control, while Wi-Fi connectivity allows remote access through the Honeywell Home app. The IAQ control provides real-time feedback on indoor conditions, helping users make informed decisions about ventilation and comfort. Together, these features create a thermostat that adapts seamlessly to your lifestyle. Usability and convenience are highlights. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, allowing quick adjustments and easy navigation. The Honeywell Home app extends functionality, enabling remote control from anywhere. Installation is straightforward with included wall plates and C-wire support. The programmable design ensures flexibility, while video doorbell compatibility adds a unique layer of smart home integration. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with Honeywell's trusted design philosophy, the X8S thermostat blends efficiency, intelligence, and sleek aesthetics, making it a smart investment for homeowners. Use cases are broad. For families, it ensures comfort across rooms. For professionals, it provides energy savings and smart control. For lifestyle users, it integrates seamlessly with voice assistants and smart home ecosystems. For health-conscious users, it monitors air quality to improve living conditions. In summary, the Honeywell Home X8S Smart Thermostat combines IAQ monitoring, video doorbell compatibility, and customizable touchscreen design in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.